If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl's back with another video. So today's video, I'm about to show y'all the perfect makeup look for the beach. You know, looking all cute or perfect for pictures. You know, in your sundress, your bikini, your shorts, whatever. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And enjoy. Yeah, I'm so happy to be back. Alright, I'm so happy to be back. I'm about to go back to being consistent. But let's get into the video because y'all know I like to talk. For all my new subscribers, I like to talk. And I hope you like to listen and comment and like and tell your friends to subscribe. But I'm going to be using the NYX Hydration Base. It's the Hydra Touch Primer. I love this primer. Like, this is my go-to primer. Like, you want your skin to stay hydrated, look hydrated. And also, there's also primers that have sunscreen, especially since you're gonna be in the sun. So you can either put sunscreen before your primer, or you could put this get a primer that has sunscreen. This doesn't have sunscreen, but there is primers that have sunscreen. You'll see how my skin looks hydrated already. Look at that. Don't mind these quarantine nails, okay? I do have press-ons, but like it's just a lot of like, I haven't had nails in forever, so it's different with long nails. And plus my niece, like, you know, it's hard having long nails when you watch a 1-year-old. So y'all see how hydrated my skin look already? Okay. So now I'm gonna be going in the Milk makeup. It's a Pore, well, it's a blur stick. Okay, so it blurs your pores out. If you guys haven't checked out my poreless makeup tutorial, I did use this, so go check it out. So I just do it up so it could go inside my pores instead of going down my open pores. I don't really have much like big pores, but my mom does, and I use it and it works bomb on her when I do her makeup. But I just blur out my nose and I blur around my nose because usually right here is where the pores are. So, and then I just press it in my skin with my finger. So now I'm gonna be using the Airspun setting powder, and this is translucent extra coverage. I love this. I didn't even know they had extra coverage. When I was in LA, I just needed a setting powder real bad. I needed the Airspun setting powder, and this was the only one they had, the extra coverage, but I really love the extra coverage one. So since we're gonna be in the sun, and if you do get oily, even if you don't, like, you know, when it's like when you're getting sweaty and hot, like you don't want your face super oily. Like, I know that your face can get super oily in the summertime, so I like to, this is the only time I do this, but I like to set where I get oily at before I put my foundation on. So where I get oily at is this area, my forehead, my nose, right here in the middle of my eyebrows. So that's where you're gonna set. You're gonna set, and you're not gonna do too much. Like, I'm not gonna overdo it, but I'm just gonna set where I get super oily at in the summertime. And I get super oily in my T-zone, super oily. Like, I know I'm not the only one. Like, I get super oily in my T-zone and my big old forehead. Like, y'all see how smooth this looks? It almost looks like I don't know, it looks like I have a filter on, don't it? Because, like, I'm telling you, that blur primer, like the blur primer and then setting it, ooh, it's like I have no pores. And it looks nice and smooth in that area. That's where I put the blur primer, well, the blur stick. So I think I'm gonna be extra today and use 2 foundations, but let me give you some tea on these 3 foundations. This foundation is bomb. This foundation is about It depends where you go. I think at Walmart, it's okay. At Walmart, it's $5. And if you go to Walgreens or CVS, I believe it's like $7. But go to Walmart and get it for $5. Probably round it up, $6 is bomb. And I'm in the color 338. And my other go-to foundation, I always mix it though, because it's not the perfect match. But the NYX Born to Glow foundation, I need to order some more. I love this foundation. And I'm in the color Nutmeg. I love this foundation, y'all. Like these two together. These two together. What's up? And this is my other favorite foundation. This is the Dollhouse Cosmetics foundation, and it has vitamin A, C, and E in it. T. And it's a perfect finish foundation. And I love this foundation, but it doesn't match perfectly with my skin tone. I don't know if I should have got like a shade darker, but this is probably one of the foundations where I just got to get another color to mix it, because I'm telling y'all, nothing has my perfect foundation color. But I love this foundation a lot. And the Dollhouse Cosmetics concealer, I use the Dollhouse Cosmetic concealer to conceal my brows, and her concealer is really bomb if you like have a lot of hair. Like I feel like it's full coverage. Like it's bomb. Or even with your bags, like if you have bad bags, that concealer is bomb. But I mostly use it to clean up my brows. Like I don't use nothing else. But y'all, like you need all three of these foundations in your makeup kit. Like honestly, because even if you do them by yourself, like these foundations are still, all three of the foundations I showed you are still super bomb by itself. I'm just extra, and it's hard to find the perfect skin, the perfect foundation like for my skin tone. And don't forget to blend your neck and your ears, especially in the summertime. Like people, like when the sun hit, they really gonna see how your makeup looks. So you gotta make sure it's blended flawlessly and everything matches, because sis, you don't want no one like, yo, let me see her foundation, yo, you see her makeup. Like, don't say I didn't tell y'all. Okay, so we done. So now we about to conceal, and I'm about to show y'all my two favorite concealers. And let me give you another tea. The Dollhouse Cosmetics is black owned, so shop black. Support black businesses. Black lives matter. Okay, period. I just wanted to make sure y'all knew black lives matter. So my two favorite concealers is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand. I love this concealer. And LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. And I put Fawn first. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting it under my eyes. So now I'm going to be setting my face with the Real Techniques brush using the Airspun setting powder. and set my smiley lines because I smile a lot. I know I look extra powdery and stuff, but now I'm gonna be bronzing my face with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is Caramel Cutie. I love this bronzer, y'all. Like, I love this bronzer a lot. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe brush. I like this brush because it's angled and it's perfect, you know, to do, you see that? Perfect shape. And this is in the number MB4. And I like to press it in my skin. Now I like to bronze or contour my nose, and I am still going to be using the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie, and the brush I'm using that I like to really define my nose, E22 is bomb. I love this brush. Because when you put foundation and stuff on, you gotta, that's what bronzing and contouring is for, to redefine, because the foundation can take away some of your features. So that's why you have to bronze and contour to redefine my nose. And I like to use the beauty blender that I use for the foundation and concealer, just to put it in the middle. I don't like to put like extra concealer and stuff, so I just use, because it's still, I'm sure it's still got, like, you know, makeup on it. It's still got makeup on it. To the next step, and it's time to do blush. I love blush, like, especially this blush. Like, I always use this blush, y'all. I love this blush. Like, if you guys watch my videos, if you're not new to my channel, this is my favorite blush. Favorite. I know I got eyeliner. I decided to do eyeliner. Y'all know I'm an eyeliner person. So this is in the color 09. Ooh, this is so beautiful. It's very pigmented, so you gotta, you know, be careful with it. You don't, and even if you did go ham, because I went ham plenty of times, you can just go back in with your bronzer brush and just, you know, buff it out. Now for the highlight, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I love Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. But first I'm gonna wipe off the powder. I had it sit for a little bit, so it's time to wipe off the powder. And the fluffy brush I like to use is the Morphe MB1 brush. And for highlight, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I love this highlight. I'm gonna forever use this highlight, okay? So I line my lips. My hair looks mad frizzy, like my hair's sweating out, like I'm hot. But I'm gonna be using the Crayon Case lip gloss in the color Soft Twerk. This is my first time. I just got this lip gloss, so I'm excited to see how this color's gonna look. Ooh, wait a minute. Y'all, I love how it goes on. Like, I love these type of lipstick. Don't mind my brown lip liner on it. I love these type of applicators, like the flat ones. Wait a minute, I'm feeling it. Yo, my lips look juicy. All right, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. The makeup look perfect for the beach, you know, so you could take some bomb beach pictures in your bikini or your shorts or your sundress. But yeah, I love y'all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.